Hello, Jack. Why does this look like the table of a scientist preparing for a rocket launch?
Because it is a rocket launch, my English rocket launch. And today I want to learn the present simple. I always mix it with the present continuous.
Don't worry. The present simple is used for things you do every day. Your routines, your habits. Easy.
Routines. Everything's cleared now. Okay, so we don't say, I am waking up at 6.
Ah, see? That's present continuous. For routines, we use I wake up at 6.
Oh, right. Wake up. No am. Only I.
Exactly. Present simple equals subject plus base verb. The common subjects are I, you, we, they. And for he, she, it, we add s.
So, if I want to talk about you, I will say, Clara wakes up at 7, not Clara wake up at 7.
Clara wakes up at 7. Perfect. You're already improving. All right, Jack. Today you're meeting our new neighbor, right?
Yes, Mrs. Reynolds. Very friendly, but she speaks fast like a machine gun.
Don't worry. When people meet you, they often ask about your day, your routine, your schedule. So, today's challenge. Talk confidently about your daily routine using the present simple.
Challenge accepted.
Let's start simple. Jack, at what time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
Good. And after that?
After that, I am taking a shower.
I take a shower, not I am for routines.
Right. I take a shower, and then I drink coffee.
Nice! Present simple is working.
Maybe the rocket will fly today.
Oh, it will. Let's add more routine verbs. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I start work. I cook dinner. I go to bed. Try to make a mini routine adding these activities.
Okay. I wake up at 6:30. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I start work at 9. I cook dinner in the evening. And I go to bed at 11.
That's excellent. Clear, simple, perfect present simple. Now, let's try with he, she. Describe my routine. Use she.
All right. She wake up at 7.
Try again.
Ah, I see. She wakes up at 7. Yes, the S rule?
Exactly. Now continue.
She takes a shower. She drinks coffee. She starts work early.
Perfect. One more correction. For routine, habits, we usually don't say early alone. Try, she starts work early in the morning.
She starts work early in the morning.
Nice. Let's pretend I'm Mrs. Reynolds. Ask me about my routine.
Okay. Mrs. Reynolds, what time do you wake up?
Oh, hello, dear. I wake up at 5 a.m. every day. I like the morning birds.
And do you drink coffee?
No, I drink tea. I don't drink coffee.
Good. And do you watch TV in the evening?
I usually read a book.
Clara, you sound exactly like my grandmother.
I have talents, Jack. Many talents.
Okay. Now me, I read sometimes a book in the evening.
almost perfect. Natural order is I sometimes read a book in the evening, not I read sometimes a book in the evening. Take note, the position of that adverb, sometimes. Try again.
Oh, yes. Sometimes goes in the middle.
Exactly. Let's quickly review frequency adverbs. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. They go before the verb except with to be. Example, I am always tired. But without the verb to be, we say, I always drink tea. See the difference?
Got it. That's helpful. Let's try.
I am never tired of learning English. I sometimes make mistakes. Clara, what if Mrs. Reynolds asks, "What do you do every afternoon?" I never know what to answer. I don't do anything special.
Jack, doing nothing is also something. Just answer simply, I relax, I rest, I take a walk, I listen to music.
Oh, simple verbs, daily actions.
Exactly. Present simple is all about simple regular things. Let's build a stronger routine for you. Try adding these. I commute, I study, I prepare lunch, I exercise, I check my messages, I call my family, I clean my apartment, I read before bed. Make a full daily routine, but natural, not like a robot.
All right. I wake up at 6:30. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. Then I commute to work. I start work at 9. I check my messages. I study English a little. I finish work at 5. I call my family in the evening. I cook dinner. I relax. I read before bed.
That is beautiful, smooth, clear, real English. Good. In the second part, you'll actually meet Mrs. Reynolds and tell her about your daily routine naturally. She might ask questions, she might misunderstand you, she might talk fast, but you're ready.
Yes, today my present simple rocket really flies.
Let's see how high it goes.
Ready?
No. Yes. Maybe. My heart runs faster now.
Your heart beats, Jack, not runs. But don't worry, you'll do great.
Oh, hello, dears. Good morning. Come in, come in. So, Jack, Clara tells me you're practicing English every day.
Yes. I practice every day. I wake up early. I study.
Oh, wonderful. What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
Oh my, that's early. I wake up at 5. I like the morning quiet.
You are a strong woman.
Not wrong.
And after you wake up, Jack, what do you usually do?
I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I brush my teeth. Then I'm going to work.
Present simple, Jack.
Right. I go to work at 8. Excuse me.
Good. And what do you do at work?
I check emails. I talk to coworkers. I learn new things.
Excellent routines. And what about the afternoon? Do you rest? Do you read? Do you exercise? Do you take a walk? Do you cook something? My neighbor upstairs cooks every afternoon. I smell garlic every day.
Yes, no, I do nothing.
He means he usually relaxes in the afternoon and he sometimes takes a walk.
Yes, I sometimes take a walk.
Oh, that must be my delivery.
Morning, ma'am. Here's your package.
Thank you, dear. I order things online every week. We're actually practicing English speaking. can you tell us a bit about your job routine?
Sure, ma'am. I deliver packages all day. I start at 7 a.m. and I finish at 4.
Do you like your job?
I do. I meet people, I walk a lot, I stay active, and I learn a lot. It's always exciting.
And what do you drink in the morning?
I drink coffee, and I sometimes drink tea in the evening.
Perfect, present simple. Do you use your phone a lot? My grandchildren use their phones all day.
No, sometimes. I phone my family every evening.
Jack, you meant I call my family, not I phone my family.
Oh, no. Yes, I call my family every evening.
That's a good one, dear. Don't worry, we all make mistakes. You know what? I walk every morning. Let's walk a little now. Fresh air helps the brain think better.
Yes, that's a good idea. Let's go.
Jack, what do you usually do in the evening?
I cook dinner, I study English, and I read before bed.
Good. And what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11. Whoa, that dog screams every day?
Dogs don't scream, Jack. They bark.
Right, bark.
Let's talk a bit about weekend activities. I clean my house every Saturday. I visit my sister on Sundays. I cook lunch at noon. I check my garden every Sunday morning. It's my special rest day.
I clean my apartment every weekend, too. And I visit my friends on Sundays.
Nice. Very natural, present simple.
Jack, tell me your routine again, one more time.
Okay, I wake up at 6:30. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I commute to work. I start work at 9. I check my messages. I talk to coworkers. I study English a little. I finish work at 5. I call my family in the evening. I cook dinner. I relax. And I read before bed.
Perfect, dear. Very natural. Your English is improving every minute.
You see, the rocket flies. Morning, Jack. Ready to show our viewers all the important expressions and vocabulary to use when talking about daily routine?
Yes, I'm ready. I remember everything.
Great! Let's start from the morning routines. Can you tell me what you do after you wake up?
Sure. I wake up at 6:30. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Perfect! And what do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat cereal and drink coffee. Sometimes I drink tea in the evening.
Very good. And now, let's move to the work routine. Jack, what do you do at work?
I start work at 9. I check my messages. I talk to coworkers. I learn new things.
Excellent! And after work?
I call my family. I cook dinner. I relax. I usually read before bed.
Beautiful! Now, let's add the outdoor routine. Yesterday, we went for a small walk. Can you tell our viewers what you do when you go outside?
Of course, I walk every morning. I sometimes take a walk in the afternoon. I see my neighbors. I enjoy fresh air.
Perfect. Remember yesterday the dog barked?
Yes, dogs bark every day. They don't scream.
Exactly. Let's review our delivery guy conversation.
Okay, he delivers packages every day. He starts at 7 and finishes at 4. He meets people. He walks a lot. He stays active.
Wonderful. Jack, do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, sometimes. I call my family every evening. I check messages. I sometimes play a game.
Great. Okay, Jack, let's give a little homework for our viewers.
Yes. What should they do?
Try to write down your daily routine using at least 5 of the expressions we practiced today. Leave it in the comments. And keep this in mind. When we write new words, our brain remembers them much better.
I like that. It helps everyone practice, and it's fun.
Exactly. Small writing exercises make learning active. Jack, let's say your full routine one last time. It may inspire our viewers.
Okay. I wake up at 6:30. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I commute to work. I start work at 9. I check my messages. I talk to coworkers. I study English a little. I finish work at 5. I call my family in the evening. I cook dinner. I relax. I read before bed. I walk every morning. I sometimes take a walk in the afternoon. I see my neighbors. I enjoy fresh air.
Perfect. Very clear and natural. Our viewers can repeat this and use it every day.
Yes, I feel ready to use present simple in all my daily routines.
And remember, viewers, try your own routine in the comments. We read them and we learn together. Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing, laugh at mistakes, and enjoy learning English.
Goodbye, and see you tomorrow. Remember to try your routines in English.
Bye. Have a wonderful day.